Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Deka blue butt connectors for the 16 to 14 gauge size wire, and this is for a quantity of 5 connectors. Now these blue butt connectors will join 2 lengths of 16 gauge or 14 gauge size wire, and it'll insulate the connection with the heat shrinkable nylon for adjustability and durability. Now the blue color on this will indicate the size wire this connector will fit. This one will fit the 16 to 14 gauge size wire, and if you forget what color size fits what, it is also stamped on here, 16 to 14 AWG. Now to install the 2 wires, what you'll want to do is take your 2 wires that you're going to connect together, and you'll strip off about 1/4 inch of insulation on each end of the wire. Take your first wire, stick it into this end right here, and push it all the way until it stops. Basically there's a metal casing right there in the middle, and in the very center is a little stopper. So when you push the wire in, it'll stop, and that should put that in the metal casing. Once you make sure that strip portion is under the metal casing, take your crimper, crimp it all the way down until you make a good connection, and then you'll do the same with the second wire. Take the stripped end, stick it all the way in until it goes no further. Make sure it's under the metal, or the strip portion is under that metal casing, and then use your crimper and crimp that side down. With both of them crimped, then what you'll want to do is just tug on them, hold both wires, and just tug on them and make sure you have a good connection. Once that's good, then what you'll do is get a heat source like a heat gun, and then just apply heat over this insulation, and it'll cause this nylon insulation to shrink, and it'll completely seal around your connection and prevent the elements from causing a problem with your connection. Now this part is for a quantity of 5 connectors. We do also sell it as a single connector. It's part number DW05744-1, or as a 10-pack, which is part number DW05744-10. But that should do it for the review on the Deka blue butt connectors for the 16 to 14 gauge size wire for a quantity of 5.